Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to download ebooks, audiobooks, and magazines using RbDigital. If you've used Libby or Overdrive before, this is going to seem pretty familiar, but there are some differences, so let's get started. So once you download the app and open it up for the first time, you're going to see this screen. And if you are brand new to RbDigital, you're going to need to register. So click on this little button down here. And it's pretty straightforward. Just choose a country. And choose your state. Then if you're a Belding resident, just type in Belding and it'll show you our library right there. So go ahead and click on that. Then create account. And then it'll just need your library card and it'll ask you to create a unique username. You can either log on with your username or your email, and it'll ask for that at the bottom. But I'm already registered, so I'm going to go back to the main screen here and log in. Okay. And so that brought it to my checked out page, but once you log in for the first time, it'll bring you to the home screen. And you'll see that there's audiobooks at the top, and then there's ebooks that you can choose from. And then at the bottom, there are magazines. So if you're wanting to just peruse the magazines, right at the bottom, there's a view all option. And then you can either just scroll through these or you can filter them by preference. So the filter option is in the upper right hand side right here. You can either look for a specific magazine or you can kind of peruse by genre. And then if you click the little radio button on the right hand side here and then click search, it'll repopulate with your filter there. So let's go ahead and check one of these out, just a random here, just to show you how it works. Below the magazine, there's a little checkout button that you can press. And just like that, it's checked out. Just click OK. And keep searching. If you want to, you can click on the image instead of checkout, and it'll show you a little more information about the title. And then you can check out from here as well, just by clicking the same checkout button. Read it from this screen, or you can go back to search for more. But if you're all done, you want to see everything that you have checked out, click on the upper left hand side. That's the options menu. And you can either go back home, search for books, search for more magazines, or right next to the check mark, it says checked out. If you click on that, it'll show you everything that you have currently checked out. So I don't have any books at the top. I've got 2 ebooks checked out. Then I've got 3 magazines checked out. And if you look at the bottom right-hand side of the ebooks, you'll see what the expiration date is on those. So whenever they're automatically returned. And from this screen, you can click on any of the items and read them from here as well. Or if you're wanting to return an item, there's a little X in the upper right-hand side. So if you click that, it'll say item returned successfully. And so if you're wanting to search for books or audiobooks, you can go up and click that menu again in the upper left-hand side. And if you click on books, it'll show you either audiobooks or ebooks. So let's click on audiobook. And you can see if something's checked out, because where it normally says checked out, it'll say hold. But if you're wanting to search for things that are specifically available now, you can click on View All. And then if you click the filter button, and then right under genre, you'll see availability. If you click that, you can search for everything that's available currently. And then click search, and it'll repopulate with everything that you can check out right now. So again, let's just grab something at random. It'll tell you how long you have to check it out. So this checks out for 21 days. Let's go ahead and click checkout. And then you can just start playing it right from there. And that's really all there is to it. It's pretty straightforward, and it's pretty similar to Libby. So if you've used one, you're pretty familiar with the other one already. And if you have more questions, there's an FAQ section under the general options. And then you can sort by specific questions for each format. But yeah, it's really easy, and thank you for watching.